to my channel. I'm Suji Ravindran. I'm an international certified NLP coach, life coach and emotional intelligence coach. Today I'm going to share you a few tips how to help your kids to be productive and also enjoy the fun. The first and foremost thing, most of the parents are working at home and you have a tough time to handle your kids. So you need to manage your stress, you need to control your emotions, and also you should find some time to be with them. Otherwise, these tips are not going to help them. First tip, read. I know many kids have a habit of reading, but again, it is like you might have forced them to read something and we are not sure whether they are reading in a proper way. So you can do it in a better way. That I personally do this, that I gather many kids in my neighborhood, like more than 10 kids in my neighborhood. If it is not possible, because I stay in apartment, so it is very easy for me to do. But in your case, if it is difficult, you can even gather friends, kids, even you can do it through video call, Zoom, and there are many apps where you can utilize. Okay, and you can gather kids. Otherwise, you can even do it with your 2 kids or 3 kids, whatever it is. Ask them to read the book and also give a quick summary and 3 takeaways or 5 takeaways about the book. Parents have to do one thing, they have to offer a gift for them. Whoever present the book in a better way, whoever have given the best takeaways will be the winner. So that motivates other kids also to do better, and they will also simultaneously they will also improve their public speaking skill, storytelling skill, and also the reading habit. And they will be learning about many books. That is the advantage of being with a group of children. When they give the reviews, they will be learning about the other book, and they will also have the curiosity or enthusiasm to read that book, try that book, and they will improve in many ways. You can try that tips. Second tip, cook it up. You can start with cookies, you can bake some cookies and you can move up to cake or whatever it is. But make sure that you are not using any ready-made mix. Instead, you can start from the scratch. So the measuring process will be always fun. At the same time, it will help them to improve their mathematical skill. Third point, learn a new skill. Usually what happens during the summer holidays, you send your kids for different classes, workshops. During this pandemic situation, it's very hard to send them out. It is impossible, in fact. You can't send them out. So most of the parents are complaining, saying that they are being at home, they are doing nothing, just watching TV, playing with mobile. You can teach them the same skill online. You can start with public speaking. You can even start with self-defense, martial arts, positive thinking, how to improve their listening skill, storytelling, magic, photography. There are many skills you can teach them online. Public speaking, even you can practice at home. Like you can, as I mentioned earlier, you can even gather some kids and ask them to come up with some kind of topics and let them present in front of you. You can do it in many ways. You can help them, the kids, to engage, do something productive. At the same time, it will be fun for them. But make sure that you are offering some gift to them. That gives them more motivation, and in fact that gives them energy to do it again and again. They expect you, they will listen you for the next time. Next step, pick up a hobby. This is an opportunity where you can help your kids to identify their real potential. The kids will have many skills that you need to identify. You help them to identify, in fact. And what is the hobby they can select? What is the skills they got? Probably few kids have skills like gardening, photography, dancing, singing, music, any instrument like guitar or keyboard or whatever it is. Just identify those skills and ask them to do it. Ask them to start with a hobby. Few kids even like driving. You can even teach them the basic, rather than taking the vehicle out, give them basic instruction about driving. Many ways you can engage your kids, but ultimately you need to find some time for your kids. The last point, you can even help them to improve their vocabulary, reading skill, writing skill, and typing speed, story writing skill. It can be many ones. Most of the kids, they write slowly. They take a long time to complete their writing. So now the writing speed also you can help them to improve. Many ways you can help them. You can start with yoga. You can teach them meditation. You can even teach them some life skill. Teach them how to be independent and include them for your work, job, work in kitchen, or let it be anything. Ask them to be independent. Make them to be independent. This is an opportunity where you can help your kids to unleash their real potential, real skill. So this, you take it as a challenge and help the kids to be the best version of them. And make sure, as I mentioned, you have to spend time with them. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given it in the description box. Thank you for watching my channel.